Subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and make sure to click on the bell icon for new videos.
There is a reason behind this madness. A lot of you comment on my videos that I have really good skin. What are you talking about? I have like a full face of makeup on right now. Like, what? Why not show you guys how I get the good skin makeup look back down? And I thought about calling it maskless foundation, because a lot of creators have been doing makeup looks where their foundation really looks like a mask. I personally don't really like that. So this is what my face looks like without any makeup. So when you guys are talking about how good my skin is, this is what my skin actually looks like. Boom! The number one thing you want to consider when you want to have a maskless, one of the biggest things to consider when you want to have a maskless foundation routine in place: hydration, hydration, hydration. If your skin is nice, supple, hydrated, every single thing that goes on it actually is nice, supple and hydrated. If you have dry skin, if you have dry patches, if you have dehydrated skin, do a sheet mask, do really good hydrating moisturizers, or do what I do, apply a good serum. I like to apply a lot of different serums, but this is the one that I have been using. Power 10 Formula VE Effector 10 It's Skin. I have been using this for a very long time, and you can see the bottle is pretty much going out. This particular one, the purple bottle, is for glowing skin. So if you want glowing skin, you can definitely try this. The second most important thing is color correction. A lot of times your foundation, thank you airplane, thank you. A lot of times you have marks and spots, acne scars, under eye circles, and all of that has a very different color as compared to your own skin. So when you apply your foundation on top of your skin, which is skin color, it gives a very nice finish. But if you apply your foundation on top of this area, and this area is dark and blue and veiny, the skin color of the foundation on top of the gray, purplish, veiny color is actually going to result in this grayish weirdness. I'm going to try to leave a link of how exactly to color correct in the description box. I don't really color correct because I don't need that much of color correction, so I don't do it. Sometimes when I'm really going ham on my foundation routine, I just apply a little light orange or salmon color corrector wherever there's darkness. That's here, a little bit around my eyes, and sometimes here, but that's about it. The third thing that's really important is what you apply your foundation with. A lot of people try to apply their foundation with their fingers, and they feel like that just gives like really a lot of weirdness on their face. You know, when you do apply the foundation with either a brush or a beauty blender, you have the ability to actually layer it on top. Some places, if you want to apply a little bit more, you can do that. If you do that with your fingers, things just get really messed up. Don't get me wrong, you can apply your makeup with your fingertips, and some people only do that, but those people generally have really good skin to begin with. Beauty blenders can be like crazily expensive, so I would suggest you buy different alternatives. Nykaa has one, Pack has one, apparently it's really nice. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and other companies have other beauty blenders that you can use to apply your foundation. That being said, you can also use a makeup brush. This one that I have is by this company called Zoeva, and it's called the Silk Finish foundation brush. It's kind of expensive, and I would not recommend you get this. It's a very good quality product, but I feel like the whole kit was like 8,000 rupees, and I personally don't think that's recommendable. If you're just the normal person that wants like, oh my god, this is so soft. If you're the normal person that wants a makeup brush, I would suggest go to Amazon, check out like a nice buy Pack. Pack has really good brushes. Just get Pack. It's most probably going to be like 500 bucks, and just get one. The foundation one will be good. Fourth and kind of important is the actual foundation. Always has to match your skin tone. I do not care what your Kirana Bhaiya says about you being fair and buying the lightest foundation he has. He's lying to you. Because you're fair does not mean that you buy the fairest foundation that's available in a range. Always make sure to match your skin with the foundation. Take the foundation, apply it right here, blend it out, wait for 20 to 30 minutes, see if it changes its color, if it oxidizes, gives a nice finish, gives a bad finish, then you buy it. If it doesn't match your skin shade, it gives you guessed it, a mask. Since I am so well hydrated right now, I hope you can see, I'm gonna go for a foundation that is liquid based. I'm gonna use the Shambor Orosa Skin Fusion Foundation in the shade 102 Ivory Natural. Now this foundation is great if you have normal skin, if you're looking for like medium to high coverage, which is kind of like buildable, if you want something that sits on your skin and it's just all sorts of beauty, you can definitely go ahead and buy this foundation. And that's it. I hope this video is useful to you guys. If you guys have any comments about any products that I showed in this video or any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section.